Hello friends, now we see the unit second network theorem in current electricity part 6, efficiency of maximum power transfer theorem. Efficiency of maximum power transfer theorem. The efficiency of a DC source under maximum power transfer condition is 50%. So how much is the total power? Out of that the maximum power is transfer is only 50%. Consider circuit, let E be a EMF of a source having internal resistance R. The source is connected in series with load resistance R. So here it is the internal resistance, here it is the external resistance, load resistance R. Here is the EMF battery I, and I is the current flowing through the circuit. Let I be the current flowing through the circuit. If we apply KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, so to this closed loop, here we say that here the resistance is R and current is flowing I, so I plus R, I into R. Again here the resistance is capital R and current is flowing I, so and here there is nothing, no resistance, therefore the total potential drop is 0, and here battery's negative terminal will come first. Therefore here we say that small r into I plus capital R into I equal to E, and therefore here we can write I equal to E upon small r plus small r. Here the PD across R is V equal to IR, that is the Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Potential difference across R is equal to V into IR. Now power consumed in resistance R is given by P equal to VI. That is, the power is nothing but the product of voltage and current. If V is equal to, already we know that it is IR, therefore IR into I, it is nothing but I square R. Therefore power P equal to E square R upon R plus small r bracket square. Just we keep the value of I, that is E upon R plus R. Therefore here it is I square. Then if we make square of this, you will get E square R as it is, E square R upon small capital R plus R bracket square. For maximum power transfer theorem, R equal to small r equal to capital R. Now just we keep the value of small r, that is capital R. Therefore you will get power P equal to E square R upon R plus R bracket square. Therefore E square R upon 4R square. Therefore P max, maximum power, is you will get E square upon 4R. This 1R and this 1R will cancel, therefore E square upon 4R you will get. The total power developed by the source of EMF E when it is giving a circuit current I is P total equal to E into I. That is, E is the potential drop and I is the current. Therefore total current developed by the source of EMF E is given by P total equal to total power equal to E into I. Therefore E, again the value of I, it is E upon R plus R. Therefore E into E, that is E square upon R plus R. For maximum power transfer theorem, again small r equal to capital R. Therefore P total power is equal to E square upon R plus R, that is E square upon 2R. The efficiency eta of the electrical circuit is equal to the ratio of maximum power transferred to the total power developed by the source. So efficiency is given by eta equal to P max upon P total. The ratio of maximum power upon total power is nothing but the efficiency of that particular thing. So that particular thing means electrical circuit. So the efficiency of the electrical circuit is nothing but the ratio of maximum power upon total power. Therefore maximum power it is given by E square upon 4R. Total power is given by E square upon 2R. So E square will cancel, 4R upon 2R. these both the terms are in division, so it will divide 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So you will get maximum power equal to 1 by 2, that is eta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore percentage efficiency, percentage eta equal to 50%. Thus under maximum power transfer theorem condition the efficiency is 50%. In this way we can prove that under maximum power transfer condition the efficiency of electrical circuit is 50% when the internal total resistance of the circuit is equal to the internal load resistance of the circuit. Then we say that under maximum transfer condition, that is small r equal to capital R, the efficiency is 50%.